Hey, it's Dawn. Knock it out, chatting chores. I'm either a mad genius or I just wasted about $10, which to me that's worth the try. So I have a mini quilter that I can put my machine on and use the machine to try and quilt something. But I also have been wanting to look at the push and pull kind because I don't think I'll ever have room for a 12-foot long arm quilter. So I thought, what if I just made one? And I found a piece of melamine for $3 at the restore. I mean, it's not impossible. Be kind of cool. Just need some support and clean it. So let's see what happens. So if I put this side down, okay. I rearranged everything so it's remembering where things are. I haven't been in here long enough to remember where stuff is. I'm not going to be able to inset the machine. So here's going to be the entertaining part. I am terrible at using hand saws. I really am. Or maybe I just think I am. I don't know. And a drill bit. Anybody know the difference between the drill bits? Because I don't. Like, yes, one's bigger than the other, but like one's for wood, one's for concrete. I don't know. The gentleman at the store told me that I'm going to want to drill in the corners so I can make the corner with the saw blade, which I thought was very sweet for him telling me. I'm sure there's a super easy way to do this. I'm just unfamiliar with what that is. No, well, that helps. I guess I could saw drill a second hole. What part of the blade do you use? This part of the have a feeling it's this part. Yeah, probably so. I did warn you. A clue is not had on how to use these. A jigsaw would have been nice. I used to have one, but I sold it because I wasn't doing projects anymore. No kidding, I'm gonna have to look up how to use a hacksaw. For those of you that do know how to use a hacksaw, I am sorry if this is painful for you. Yeek.
All in all, I am really proud of myself. All in all, it cost about $40 to make, mainly because I had to buy a saw. The wood was about $20, and it's going very smoothly. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thanks for hanging out.